Okay guys, so we are outside. I am going to make over my patio yet again because obviously that was a temporary fix. I still need to paint that door. So my husband will be home from his orders and he'll be here in 3 days, and I figured why not hurry up and get the patio furniture set up before he comes, so it's one less thing he has to do. And really, I just want to set it up now. So we're going to do it now. My yard's a mess. I have to clean up, get this place together. I have all these cushions and everything. I don't know if you guys can see because it's so bright out everywhere. And we're gonna get started. So here is my progress so far. I have the sofa almost finished, but I have a lot more to do. 2 more chairs and a table to build. So I got most of everything assembled. I have 1 chair left that I saved to do on camera. I'm sorry if I'm squinting. It's so bright. Like the sun is like boom in my face. But yeah, I guess we'll just get started. So you'd think I'd be a pro by now, setting up all this stuff by myself. I think I did okay-ish. It took me 3 hours, but I was outside playing with the kids at the same time. So multitasking, pretty good.